Hey, what's up, guys? It's Trip. Or, sorry, not Trip. That was my old channel. I used to do story times and then something messed up. Sorry, this is a neighborhood, so I mean. Look at that storm, by the way, guys. That is nasty. I'm gonna go check the radar later. This is my backyard. It's my brand new house. A little bit of a tour. I just felt like uploading my song about how much I love Minecraft. Go check that out. It's stupid, but it's funny. So as you can see, you got the pool. Awesome. We got some plants here. That is where the oh, why did I go like this? Okay. This is the this has mechanics for the pool. Whoa, a little bit too much. This is a little sitting area. Pretty nice. We got some of these chairs. This. My dad wants to put a TV there. But yeah, I'm thinking about creating a little funny series. I'm thinking about a series to make. You know, so I can get views. But of course, you know, you go along here, you get your diving board. Get a little closer look at that. I almost dropped my phone. So yeah, usually what I do, I'm gonna have to try not to fall. Get up on here, and then let me teach you guys how to jump. You run, you jump up, and you jump down. Of course, I'll fling you up and then kaboom in the water. Sorry guys, it's kind of windy. Oh gee, it's because the storm's brewing. There's another one looks like to be right there. Yeah, storms are gonna be imminent for a while, if that even makes any sense. So here you have a fence. I didn't really give a tour of my backyard at all on the house tour. Of course, other people are speaking in the background, so it's gonna be a little bit noisy. That's why I do it around like certain times. But yeah, of course you got the house. You guys already saw that. You got this. That's another thing. I don't know why it's there. I'm trying to not step in any poop because it's a small yard. That is there. Yeah, just pretty much. I think that's to our car. Ow, little prickers. Okay, this thing was broken before. Sorry guys, a little bit messy, but yeah, that's our fridge. It's plugged in. This is our pool house, and this is also my dad's garage because it's his house. Oh yeah, this is like not much, really. I mean, like, tell me, you guys, look, that's a nice sign right there. So what do you guys think of this tiki bar? My dad's probably gonna be taking that down. Oh, and there's like a wording. If you don't notice that, let me go see what that is. I'm gonna look at it first because I don't know what it says. Tiki. Oh, it says tiki bar, but it's all covered. So look, it says tiki bar. Okay. He's giving me notifications. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it turns out I can't even check the notifications. Yeah, there's like warm air coming out of here. Pretty nice though. Oh, that feels warm. Yeah, so our little goggles. I don't know what else to really show. I guess I can give you a little bit of what's going on in the tiki bar. That's my dad's shorts. Beers, of course. Sorry, it's messy. Smoker. We got a smoker in the house. Got two smokers actually. I think. That's private information though. Pretty nice flowers. This is all my mom's stuff. I mean, come on, if my mom's watching this. But yeah. I might as well show off this, or else at least my mom will be mad. Yeah, pretty nice. Over there too. Alright. So yeah, that's it. It's very noisy too, because we're I have to go deal with the city life because I'm not used to being quiet. Alright guys, see you all later.